Back in 2019, when I started this channel, the first ever video that brought success to my channel was Park Shin-ye's video. I was overwhelmed by the huge response. So, today Showbiz Asia brings you an up-to-date version of the most popular video of the channel, Park Shin-ye About 2.0. Hello and welcome back to Showbiz Asia. Hope you enjoy our today's segment. Park Shin-ye gained recognition for starring in TV dramas Stairway to Heaven and Tree of Heaven. Considered one of the most popular actresses of her age, Park received further recognition for her roles in TV dramas You Are Beautiful, The Heirs, Pinocchio, Doctors, Memories of Alhambra, Alive. Park Shin-ye has a net worth of $8 million. She earns $17,000 per episode for her TV series. Back in 2018, Dispatch revealed her relationship with Choi Tae-jun with a series of images. In an interview, she mentioned that her relationship was revealed despite their intention of keeping it private. However, the effects of the revelation were nice and the two continued to date. Even though the two haven't shared major screen space, the two were seen in a short cameo in the same K-drama, that is, The King of Dramas, back in 2012. Choi Tae-jun and Shin-ye are even alumni of the same university, that is Chongang University. Park Shin-ye became known when she played the younger version of Choi Ji-woo's character in the popular Korean drama Stairway to Heaven in 2003. Thereafter, she expanded her filmography through supporting roles in several television series. Park was cast in her first adult leading role in South Korean Japanese melodrama Tree of Heaven, where she received praise from critics of her performance. The series was also aired in Japan, thus giving Park more exposure abroad. Park gained more recognition after starring as a cross-dressing heroine in the romance comedy music drama You Are Beautiful. Park also voiced the main characters of the animation film Green Day's Dinosaur and I, which premiered at the 15th Busan International Film Festival. In 2013, Park co-starred alongside Lee Min-ho in The Heirs, a teen drama written by Kim Yoon-suk. The Heirs enjoyed immense popularity both locally with a peak rating of 28.6% and internationally, having over 1 billion cumulative views on the Chinese streaming website iQIYI. Park experienced a surge in popularity domestically and internationally and became a Hallyu star. In 2014, Park starred in Pinocchio opposite actor Lee Jong-suk, playing the heroine of the drama, which has a chronic symptom called Pinocchio complex. In 2016, Park made a small screen comeback in SBS medical drama Doctors. Park made her film debut in the movie Evil Twin, where she portrayed two roles, one as the main character and other as the ghost of the main character's sister. In 2010, Park starred in the low-budget romantic comedy film Cyrano Agency, which revolved around a dating agency that helps its customers win the hearts of the people they desire. She then featured in the comedy film My Annoying Brother as a judo coach alongside actor Jo Jang-suk and Do Kyung-soo of EXO. Park starred in the crime thriller film Heart Blackened, a Korean remake of the Hong Kong film Silent Witness alongside Choi Min-sik, which was released in 2017. In 2020, Park starred in the disaster film Alive, based on the original script of Hollywood screenwriter Matt Naylor alongside Yoo Ah-in. The same year, she starred in the thriller film The Call, directed by Lee Chang-hyun, which revolves around two women living in the different time periods who are connected through a mysterious phone call. Back in 2009, she released the songs Lovely Day and Without Words for the romance comedy music drama You Are Beautiful. In 2012, Park joined the reality show Music and Lyrics, where she collaborated with singer Yoongun to compose a song titled I Think of You. Park Shin-hye also engaged in the OSTs of the other dramas such as Heartstrings, Flower Boy Next Door, The Hairs, Pinocchio, etc. Park Shin-hye published the digital version of the digital single Arm Pillow in 2014. She debuted in the entertainment industry by appearing in the music video Flower by singer Lee Sang-won. Park received a service award at the convocation ceremony for her achievement as an artist ambassador for Chonggang University. Park won the Most Popular Actress award in the film category at the Baeksang Arts Awards for the movie Cyrano Agency. She received the Popular Asian Star Award at the LETV Movie and Drama Awards. Park Shin-hye won the Best One-Act Special Actress Award at the 2012 KBS Drama Awards for the KBS Drama Special Don't Worry, I Am a Ghost. To celebrate her 10th anniversary as an actress, Park held the 2013 Park Shin-hye Asia Tour Kiss of Angel in 4 Asian countries, becoming the first actress to hold a tour spanning across Asia. She was given the Popular Foreign Actress Award at the 2013 Anhui TV Drama Awards for the drama The Hairs. In 2015, she was included Forbes Korea's Korea Power Celebrity list, where she placed 33rd. Park also received the Prime Minister Commendation at the Korea Popular Culture Awards for her contribution to Hallyu. Park has participated regularly in charitable causes such as the Hopes, Dreams, Happy Trip to Korea fundraising event hosted by non-profit organization Good Friends Save Children and Lovely Hands campaign by Lotte Department Store. In 2019, Park was awarded the Philanthropic Celebrity of the Year at the 2019 Asia Philanthropy Awards. Hope you liked our today's segment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.